if you're watching this, make sure you press that subscribe button or you are going to fail your exams. Sometimes people are too lazy to think that they are tired and forcing things that cannot be forced. This is Sava Vibes. Be with me until the end and don't forget to subscribe. The surveillance footage from the dashcam of the truck showing the lazy driver who was dozing while driving. At this point, it was the bad moment for the driver. Instead, he ended crashing the truck. Alright guys, lesson that we get from this video is that when you're tired, it's over. Especially when you're doing these physical works that need exactly a lot of concentration. When you are tired, it's over. Don't force it. For instance, you have to take a break or you need to take a nap. After that, you may continue. For example, this driver. He knew that he was literally tired, but he did not want to respond to the action. Instead, he ended up forcing it and crashing the truck. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Please subscribe and share it with your friends so that they may also learn something from this video. Don't keep it to yourself. Share. Bye.